Pindot ko naman. Hello vlog, day 2. It's Cassie's naman. Cassie's moving up. Moving up day. Oh, ngayon ay July 10, 20 and 20 and 4. Yes. And 4.
The procession is led by the school officials of Apex Schools Pateros, headed by our principal, Ms. Sherry Pablo, coordinators, Ms. Renee Feliciano, and Mr. Mark Lauren Zoilo. Guest speaker, Mr. Kevin Ryan Francisco, and the highly passionate and dedicated learning facilitators and the members of the school branch.
All the IPBAs, all the open assessments that you had to retake maybe 100 times. Those weren't easy, but you're here, you've made it, and congratulations.
The candidates here present have satisfactorily accomplished all the course requirements of the junior high school implemented by the Department of Education. Thus, at the recommendation of their learning facilitators, I ask that they be confirmed as the junior high school completers of Apex Schools for school year 2023-2024.
By the virtue of authority vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines, the Department of Education, and by the Board of Trustees of Apex Schools, as the principal of Apex Schools Pateros, and after having fulfilled all the requirements prescribed for your junior high school program, duly certified by your learning facilitators and academic coordinator, I now confirm you junior high school completers effective today, 10th of July 2024. Congratulations.
award certificates. To go up the names of truly exceptional students, may I request
Kasinao Alan Josh M. Cornell Kyle Reese B. Selva Estico Amaro. The Kanay Kasikim L. Merit Award. The Tanghel Jana Rosie Merit Award. Doctora Donoviel A. Merit Award. Merit Award, Leadership Award, Bayanihan Award. Goyos Irish Age Match. Bukong K. Nicole M.
Santos Carlito Miguel D. Merit Award. Serrano Sean Rodney T. Merit Award.
Them a resounding applause. Completers, show your appreciation to your parents and guardians, hard work, and also support, but also giving them a resounding applause. Please be seated. Our communities were facing
Day celebration. Second day. Oh, kain na ako. Gutom na ako.